Say hi to them.
Hi. Hi, Mommy Frog.
You make heart in your hand. Tingnan natin. Tingnan mo kung may lalabas na heart.
We're done. Look.
Later, I'll show you.
Should make a hat. We're making a hat. We're making a hat here, Mommy.
Yeah, ayaw ata lumabas. Say hi to them.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Hi, guys.
You said, how are you guys? Let's go to the school.
Malawa.
You said, let's go to the school. Oh, it's kind of traffic. Ang likot naman itong ano natin, stand. Yeah, the Philippine School, Dubai.
Hello. It's on the tunnel.
Sit properly, love. Sit properly.
Hi, it's on the tunnel. Mommy. Mommy.
Oh,
You see that over there? It's the apple one.
I can see because mommy driving and we're in the speed lane.
You see?
Napakatagal pa nitong motor.
You see in that side? You see that it? It's everywhere. Look at apple.
Ang bilis nung sa likod natin. Traffic. Stop tayo. Leo, show yourself. Talk to them.
Hello.
Sing to them.
Huh?
Sing mo sila ng alphabet mo.
C, D, E, F, X, I,
Tayo sa kabila. Kakainis tong nasa likod natin. Nakapakabilis. Alam mo naman mauuna siya. Sige, mauna ka na. Ka-traffic naman.
Mommy,
Po.
another ABCD now.
Yeah, good job. Tagal naman talaga dito sa gitna. Isa speed lane ulit. Wow, Tesla. Kasi singit dyan.
Tesla?
Yeah, there's Tesla.
That's not fair, is it? There was Tesla. I have Porsche, I have Porsche. Ah, Porsche! You see
There's
Porsche?
Porsche.
See Porsche, you know. See it, he's dabbling. You see the white Porsche over there?
Tagal.
Wow.
Mabagal.
At the love Porsche. At the love Porsche. You see,
Sa
I
kabila.
have to Porsche.
Tapit na tayo sa temple.
I love all the but nobody love all the food line, all the pusha, all the Tesla and all the sunshine.
To you, Lord, I surrender. Thank you everyone to all my new followers. Road to 10K followers na tayo.
Boy, the
I
pencil.
surrender. We're approaching. We're here at
They go.
Center Point Metro Station.
So,
Almost there. The school.
they kept getting quick. Say quick to buy to the F everywhere. They're not everywhere. Everywhere. They're not everywhere. Like that.
80 to 100 lang yung speed natin. Kasi may fine dito pag nag 100 plus.
Is she not police?
80 to 100 lang. Where's the police boy?
You dabbling that.
Oh, I'm driving. I didn't see.
She in your eyes. You shut that. You shut everything over there. You said I will put it that mother, daddy, mother, daddy, Messiah, and if I put this in
Oh,
before
buti na lang
you-
di traffic dito. Minsan lang yung traffic.
Mommy,
Po,
you said two, yeah, you wash over there.
Ah, it's kinda traffic.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then cool bus. Other need have a lot cool bus over there. 1,
traffic dito.
cool bus.
Nag-aano kasi, nagsisingit dun sa other side ng road. Lalo na yung mga
Four.
school bus.
5,
You are Lord
where are the cool bus? Go.
from
Russia,
you.
Avalanche.
You are Lord Almighty. You are Lord.
Hey, why is that sun going in my eyes?
Separate me
Look at my
from
with
you.
sunglasses. After me, I look at my with sunglasses. After you, mommy,
Po,
I put my sunglasses
Okay.
before.
why?
My red sunglasses.
Traffic.
Get it to someone written.
Time check. It's 2 o'clock, 2:08 in the afternoon here in Dubai. To all my new followers there. Thank you for the support. Trending na tayo. Yung algorithm nasa bahay natin, guys. Dami ng views nung concert videos. Panoorin nyo. Hindi ko pa na-post. Ang dami kasing video. Ang dami kong binidyo. Buti na lang dinala ko yung stand. Kasi nakakangalay syempre pag bibidyohin. Sakto yung stand ko. Dinala ko. Kaya na video ko. Kaso pag yun, pero pag nakakaano yung ulo nung iba doon, tinataas ko. Kaya maganda yung iba kong kuha. Lalo na yung lumapit sila, Julian San Jose, sila Michael doon sa second stage na malapit sa amin. From you.
Dalat ko yung shoulder. The big one.
Malapit na tayo.
Left.
Medyo traffic lang dito kasi may stoplight doon sa Rosie.
Child there. I had that red.
Sino yung may kadate na dyan? Magba-Valentine's na. Fully book na pala tayo sa ating Azor Staycation. Yung 14, daming naghahanap ng 14. May date naman. Pwede naman mag pre-Valentine's date sa 13. Pwede mag 13, di ba? Available pa yung 13 natin. Mag 13 naman kayo. 14, 15, saka 16, fully book na tayo. Available yung 17 onwards. Book na kayo, yung mga magdi-date dyan. Available pa. Bigyan ko kayo discount, lalo na yung mga supporters namin dyan. You alone on my side, separate me from you. Ganito pag nagda-drive ako, ang background music o yung mga Christian songs, praise songs. Pag minsan yung radio naman yung tag. You alone in my heart, you alone in my life. Nothing can separate me from you. Oh, may accident lang sa police. Oh no, malulobat na ako. Nakalimutan ko mag-judge. What happened? There's accident at the side.
What? I didn't see
Here.
anyone.
Here.
I didn't see.
Here.
Over here?
Yeah. What happened?
Why everyone touched that car? Everyone, we go in for your bag. We push in for your bag. And we push button.
Mag-ano tayo, kailangan ko ng 10,000 views. I know, not 10,000. 160,000 views for 1 month para ma-monetize yung personal account ko. At 10,000 subscribers. Happy Hearts Day!
Happy Heart Day.
Wala na, hindi lumalabas yung heart. Ayaw. Dati may heart na lumalabas eh. May heart dito lumalabas before pag nagla-live. Wala eh, traffic.
Happy
Naka-stop tayo.
Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. Oh, happy Heart Month.
Happy Heart Month. Mommy! Mommy!
Tara na mag-table tennis tayo. May table kami sa bahay. Naglalaro kami ng table tennis pag hindi tinatamad.
I need to play
Yung anak ko, yung panganay namin, naglalaro siya sa intrams, first runner up. This intrams, first runner up siya. Last year, second. Last year, nag-champion siya. Pero hindi naman masyadong magaling. Sakto lang din. Hindi pa masyadong naturuan yan ngayon kasi busy nga. So, hindi nakapag-train.
Open nga, Bucky Boy. And I know Bucky Boy. And I know every channel.
You know, also. Oh.
So, shit, Mommy, buy a new shoe for me.
Stoplight ang tagal doon sa inyo.
Black.
Kasi dito, may nag-i-stop dito sa side. Daanan to ng going to the right. So, hindi tuloy nakakadaan. Kahit doon naman yung stoplight sa kabila. Kasi sumisingit yung iba. Guys, check nyo yung aking mga videos para magkaroon ako ng 160,000 views in a month. Waitlist pa lang, magiging waitlist. Pero yung page namin, yung dalawang page ko, yung Azor tsaka yung Lian and Liam Family, monetize na yon. Pero pinapamonetize ko tong account ko kasi mas madami ditong supporters at madaming friends. Yung friends, syempre, nagre-react yun, engagement, nagwa-watch. Mas madami tayo ditong engagement at watch hour. So, sana mapansin tayo ni Meta. Kasi road to 10K na, na lang, mga 200 followers na lang, 10K followers na tayo. Isa sa requirements ng monetization, ngayon, start ata last quarter of 2025, is 10,000 followers. Before, kahit 1,000 lang or yung follower mo, namomonetize na, ang dami ngang namonetize eh. Ngayon, hindi na, mahigpit na sila.
Mommy,
Yes.
when we going camping today?
Not today. Last on February 28.
When we going from
You want to go?
ship?
Stoplight ulit tayo. Andito na tayo sa stoplight ng sa school. Parang medyo may sandstorm.
Something again, not again. You're lying, Mommy.
No, look dun, madilim sa Bumababa yung natin. Yung stand. Kasi mabigat yung phone, parang medyo magaan yung stand. Unlike dito sa isa, matibay tong isa namin. Kaso naman, nakaharap medyo pataas. Hindi makakaharap sa akin kapag nag-live ako. Ginagamit to dito sa kabila kapag magmamap lang. Kaya binili ko to na isa. Para, ayan yumuyo ko siya.
I want to see that.
Yumuyo ko. Yeah. Medyo mahina yung dikit, mahuhulog na ata eh. Baka mahulog na guys. Bye na. Thank you for watching.